In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect two AirPods to Samsung. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any Samsung smartphone, you will be able to easily set up two sets of AirPods to listen to the same audio being output on your smartphone. Keep in mind that this is also going to work for any other model of earbuds. So you can use, for example, one set of AirPods and one set of Galaxy Buds. You can mix and match however you prefer. The first step, of course, is going to be to connect the earpods to your actual Samsung device. So go over to the settings, access the Bluetooth category, and make sure that it is enabled. Once Bluetooth is enabled, put your AirPods into pairing mode. To do this, simply open the lid. With the AirPods still inside of the case, they should go into pairing mode and you will see some sort of LED indicator flash. If they don't, look for a button at the back of the charging case and press and hold it. Whenever they go into pairing mode, they will appear under the list of available devices and you will be able to select them from here. Just make sure that you choose your AirPods from this list and that you connect them properly. Once both sets of AirPods have gone through the pairing process, just like I described, by putting them inside of the case, opening the lid, or pressing the button at the back, and you have connected them both to the same Samsung device, you will be able to listen to the same audio tracks. So to ensure that you are listening to the same thing, open this drop-down menu, go over to Media, and inside of Media or Media Output, you need to make sure that this check mark is next to both AirPods. You will notice that in this image, in this example here, I have Galaxy Buds Pro. But don't worry, instead of saying Galaxy Buds Pro, it's going to say AirPods. So the AirPods that you connected earlier. And like I mentioned, you can have, for example, one set of AirPods and one set of Galaxy Buds. It doesn't matter. The most important thing is that you highlight this check box here. And once you checkmark this box or this circle at the right side of them, both of them will receive the same audio feed from your Samsung device. And you can control the audio individually. You will be able to see the battery levels as well and know whenever one of them needs to be charged. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect two AirPods to Samsung. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.